So I'm going to give you a very simple exercise that you can start doing right now, something that I do anytime I want, and I actually increase my happiness immediately. You can do it right now. You don't need a newspaper, you don't need a journal, you don't need a pen, you can do it right now. So
Thanks for this awesome idea.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
You might have heard the practice of gratitude, right? Bishal, I want to practice gratitude, and Bishal, I want to be more happier. And many people talk about this practice of gratitude, and they say things like you got to write down what you're grateful for. I think that's a great thing. I teach people how to do that in a very specific manner. But most people don't know how to start that gratitude. You know, if you are a successful professional in your field, you probably know the value of feeling appreciative and feeling grateful for things that you have. But one thing is knowing and one thing is feeling, right? Two different things altogether. So how do you practice gratitude? So I'm going to give you a very simple exercise that you can start doing right now, something that I do anytime I want, and I actually increase my happiness immediately. You can do it right now. You don't need a newspaper, you don't need a journal, you don't need a pen, you can do it right now. So this is a practice. I want you to do this practice right now. What I want you to do is, next time you're thirsty and you need some water, take a water bottle or a glass, and what I want you to do is, I want you to slow down when you're drinking water. Many people like, that's how they drink the water, because they're always in a hurry. They're hurry in drinking, they're hurry in eating, they hurry in fucking, they hurry everywhere. Good, dude, slow down and enjoy the process. Enjoy the process for everything, even in drinking water. How do you do that? Very simple. Next time you drink water, I want you to take at least 2 minutes for the process of drinking water. You slowly open the bottle, and instead of just drinking, you look at the water and you say, I appreciate this water that saves my life and keeps me alive. And you look at the water and you give it some positive energy through your heart. And in the mind you say thank you. And you slowly drink, slowly. And in the mind again you say thank you, and then you drink again. In the mind you say thank you, and one last time. And slowly you cap it up, slowly, and you say thank you, and you keep the bottle. And the water that is in your body right now inside, you feel grateful for that. And slowly you move to the next task. Do you think I'm feeling grateful right now or what? You bet. Do this practice. It's going to change your life. Rock on.
I'm a man on a mission.